cute.
that.
I have a one too.
You have one of
Do
these.
you?
This new,
That's nice for every day.
Because I've got like a Gucci.
Yeah, she
The
got
shoes. The shoes, the striped one, the classic.
Yeah.
That's cute. Wait,
That
did I?
one is
7 running with double boutique.
What's that? Hi. Still at Brisbane City for some shopping. It's Brisbane Mall of It's busy. Going home now with the mother. Bye for now, Brisbane City. Had an awesome day. Thank you for watching the video. If you're new to my channel, what to do if you're new? Subscribe, like this video. And bye for now. Hello and welcome to Amy's Quest. For today we will be doing an unboxing of a very special bag from Gucci. And here it is. So inside this bag is the Ophidia GG small shoulder bag. So it comes with this big bag when you get it in store. Alright, so here it is. Let's continue opening the box. So one at the side is the receipt for the pricing and the product details information. I will add it on the description box. Okay. So that's inside the box here. So that's the bag, the dust bag. So I like the design of the Gucci here. It's a vintage. Down there. So the straps are just protected. Lots of adjustment holes in here, and I've tried this in store. I think halfway is the best one for me. 3, 4, 4 here. Okay, let's try it right in the middle. Okay. That's the whole bag here. So just a quick description of the bag. So the shape, it's a dome shape. It comes on this web design with those color, and on the top here has the GG logo. The color is beige or ebony canvas, and for this it's zip around. There's 2 in it. Both has GG on the handle of the zipper. So just have to zip it down at
The back has this leather. It doesn't have any logo, unlike the front, and it also has this web design. At the bottom it's just this brown leather that matches the color of the strap, and inside it's stuffed with those paper to keep the shape. So it's advisable to keep all this paper for the bag to hold its shape. And inside, color of the lining. So the lining is made of silk and a blue color, and has all the product care 3 booklets. So closer look of inside the bag. And it has the label here too, Gucci made in Italy. And pockets at the side, one big pocket at the side here, and at the other side are 2 pockets. And yes, that's it. Show you what fits inside the Ophidia shoulder bag. Okay, softening. That's inside my face mask. Pen and paper. Coin purse here. Card keys. My wallet. These little pouches I kept for personal stuff. And this one for lipstick, hairbrush, and hand lotion. So that's the quick unboxing of our Ophidia GG shoulder bag. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, leave the comment, and share. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.